Today mga ka-eduk, we are going to discuss today about the distinguishing and constructing various paper and pencil tests. And I am going to tackle about the two topics, which is the planning a test and constructing of TOS, which means the table of specifications, and the types of paper and pencil tests. Yan, what is a planning a test and construction of TOS, or which means the table of specification? It is a two-way chart which describes the topics to be covered by a test and the number of items or points which will be associated with each topic. And what is table of specification means, or the TOS? Is a test map that guides the teacher in constructing a test. TOS ensures that there is a balance between items that test lower level thinking skills and those which the higher order thinking skills. Or alternatively, a balance between easy and difficult item in the test. These are the important steps in planning for a test are:
First, identifying test objectives or the lesson's outcomes. Second, deciding on the type of objective test to be prepared. Third, preparing a table of specification or the TOS. Fourth is constructing the draft test items. And the last one is tryout and validation.
And the last one is, what is the types of paper and pencil tests? It refers to a general group of assessment tools in which candidates read questions and respond in writing. These include the following. For example, the multiple choice, true or false, matching type, completions, constructed response, and the last one is the essay. And these are the examples of these paper and pencil tests.